What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another delicious recipe with Miss Vegan, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple, delicious jalapeno cranberry cheese dip. Enough talking, let's get started. And there you have it, this delicious jalapeno cranberry cheese dip. Ugh, it looks so pretty. So not only will you impress your guests and yourself by just the looks of it, the taste, oh, let's give it a try. Now I'm going to be using these simple buttery vegan crackers. You can use it with pretty much any cracker will be good. So let's we'll dig in. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of cranberry, jalapenos. Ooh. So many flavors, super refreshing, and it's like one of those dips that I dare you to just have one. You're gonna want to keep going back for more and more, and pretty soon the whole thing's gone. So make sure you make enough for just yourself and maybe to share if you'd like. Not only does it taste good, but it looks super pretty, so you'll be impressed, and so will your guests, your friends and family, whoever you have around. I'm gonna go ahead and post the link for the recipe in the description below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like, feel free to subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya!